Helsing, a dominating force in defense AI, just smashed European records. With the backing of Spotify's mastermind, Daniel Ek, they've secured a whopping $223 million in Series B. This isn't their first rodeo. They previously raised an impressive €102.5 million. The funding powerhouse behind this? General Catalyst. Swedish defense giant Saab isn't just watching, they're diving in as a strategic partner. Could Helsing be crowned as the king of European AI? They're definitely on track. Just months ago, France's Mistral AI set the stage with a $113 million seed round. With a current valuation soaring over €1.7 billion, Helsing is a force to be reckoned with. Helsing's tech? An AI beast built to supercharge defense and security, all backed by live data. Their achievements aren't just on paper. The German government has chosen Helsing for the Eurofighter project. Helsing's influence is also seen in the Future Combat Air System (FCAS) program. They've been pivotal players in Ukraine since 2022. For co-founders Torsten Ryan and Gunbit Scherf, it's more than tech, it's safeguarding democracies with AI. That's all for today. Remember to subscribe to keep up to date on AI plus military developments.